Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show one window at a time in Stage Manager on Mac. So if you use applications that can open multiple windows such as Finder, Safari or Preview, Stage Manager gives you control over how those windows are displayed. By default, you can choose whether all windows from the same app appear together or whether only one window is shown at a time. As you can see, I have opened two Finder window, and when I click on it, all the Finder windows are appear at the same time. So showing one window at a time helps create a cleaner workspace because you are only focused on a single window instead of choosing several windows from the same app. This can be useful if you want to reduce distractions or prefer a cleaner work setup. So to change this setting, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here in Desktop and Stage Manager section, click on the drop down menu right to show windows from an application and choose one at a time. And from now on, if an app has multiple open windows, Stage Manager will display only one of them at a time instead of showing every window together, as you can see here. When I click on Finder window, it will show only one window instead of all the Finder window opened. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.